our tutor with questions. And this is you. That's nice. Oh yeah, talk. Oh.
We
We
can't
can't
hear
hear
you.
you.
Your
Can't
mic
hear
is
you.
muted.
Sorry, my mic is muted. Okay. What I've learned so far in this year UI UX course, we started by briefly defining it. What UI UX is. I think UX is user's experience and UI is user's interface. When you want to create an app for someone, you make sure that it's something that they can use, and also it's something that is relatable, like it's something that solves problem, not just creating something that will be difficult to navigate. Then also use it's easier to use something that it's not going to be the words, the fonts you are using should be considered, the sizes, the colors, and what or everything you need to use to push up your information or your message should be made clear. Like you can play around with your words and every other thing. Then we did on Figma, we did different things, how to design on Figma. Then also, although I know there was one challenge I was having, but with playing around with the Figma, I've been able to get it done and also ask questions and do different how will I put it, ask questions, then play around on my own and see that it came out nicely. And I'm thankful for this opportunity given to me. At least it helps me. I like anything graphics designing, and I think this has really improved. I've improved a lot from where I was before I started and where I am right now, and I'm grateful. Thank you.
Okay, that's cool. That's like a testimony you are giving to us. That's nice. So at this point, I guess you share your projects to us. Let's see what you've done, right? I guess you should see what you've done. See what you've done throughout this section. If you have your assignments up, you can show us. If you still have your just the project, whichever one that is close by, you could share with us too.
Right now,
Yeah, definitely. You don't know what
um,
Fridays are for?
yes, I'm still working on although I wasn't able to do that last night, as in by the time there was NEPA lights, I've already slept off and I couldn't just, but I'm still working on it. Although I can still show you what I've done so far, except you share the
Yeah,
network from
sure.
your end. It's not so
Okay,
good.
okay. When others are done, we share. Just send your link to the chat box. So when others are done with theirs, we will display your work.
All right, thank you.
Right? Yeah. So I mean that's your turn. Let's hear from you.
His favor
Hi, I
should
mean
do.
that.
Yeah, good morning. Favor, please. Can you just do? Go on.
Ah, why you swapping sides? Are you swapping turns? What's wrong?
Nobody can just do. After that, I'm trying to do something, please.
Favor, they are begging you to take before. They're begging you to take turns before her.
Ah, okay,
What you want
madam.
to say?
Okay, madam, I beg you. Now you know they come first. Next. So you should be the next now. Why they push on to me? You are tense. Likewise me.
They say they say you are more prepared, favor. So
Eh?
I guess hear from you, favor.
Prepared. Okay. Oh. Ah,
Check your mic. Your mic is muted.
favor. Oh yeah. You can do it.
All this first stuff for presentation. All this first stuff for
I,
presentation.
I even wanted to wear glasses sef, so that you guys will not be able to borrow. Since it's video call, I shouldn't be biased. At least you still see my eyeballs. That was why I didn't wear cap. I didn't wear glasses.
Okay.
Okay. So uh on my end, thank you very much, DSEP. I want to thank you all the organizers for the privilege to, to be part of you. I For real, when I initially started this class, I was like, because the first day I attended, it was like the network was not too good. I was not hearing the tutor's voice clearly. I was not getting the basic things I was supposed to get. You understand? So I was like, I beg. Like, it be like I said, the class no go too old. You understand? It no go too carry compared to other online classes I've actually attended. But I can tell you now for free that like this is the best I've ever attended. Like this is just the best. Because through this place, although basically I really don't need to start explaining what UI UX is because I know we all know what it entails. But I want to talk about my
No, we don't
experience.
know. We don't know. We we don't
Why
know.
would you?
Clear up. Just
Okay, UI, US. I would say UI is interface. It's like the pictures we see. All right, the pictures we see on is it our mobile device or anything at all, like it has to do with picture, like the write up, the picture, the background, the font. That is what UI is. I want to break it down like to the very lowest minimum, like anybody could just understand. Then user experience, it has to do with how you feel. You understand why navigating from one page to another, how smooth it is, how you could easily move from one page to another easily without having to you don't without having to probably having issues, or without having to meet other people or any tech person. Without you being into tech, you should be able to access a UI. So that feeling you have, like or more like you can easily navigate from one screen to another. So that is what the experience is. All right. So the experience is like a feeling that is attached to UI. All right, to the user experience, to the user interface, to the pictures, the buttons, and the rest. So that is what UI UX actually is. So let me use WhatsApp as an example. A WhatsApp, the way we use WhatsApp, you can easily navigate. When you just click on WhatsApp on the app itself, it takes you to the main page, and what you do is just for you to look for it. I mean, if you are a new user, you see where you see a button to click whereby you have to search for friends you already have. All right, tech actually makes things easy. So the friends you already have is there. It's automatically inside the app. All right. So it's just for you to search and start chatting. It's just as simple as that. And when you see when you are looking for maybe you want to snap a picture or you want to take a short video, there's an icon that shows that okay, this is video, this is mic, this is chat. There's just it's like everything is made easy. All right, so that is what UI US actually is. So what I've learned so far, like from the first stage, like the initial stage, the very beginning, the genesis of UI US to this very stage now, like I've learned a lot. I can't really be going through all the topics we've learned, but I want to say there is one particular stage we got to that like I really it's even I know I missed class for like a week and some days, all right, but the moment we got to this topic, it didn't even feel like I missed the past class. All right. So the class, like, I really do not, I don't have words to actually express how satisfied I am, because right now I can now call myself, okay, well, although I'm not a professional designer yet, but at least I know, like, I've gotten the core things, the important things, which I can use to transit to the next level. So the particular one that I feel actually it's impacted me so much is design thinking. And the process of design thinking, the ideation stage, when you have to think of the users, a whole lot like that. You have to define, you have to send questions out, you have to, you like, it is much. It is much, all right. The prototyping stage, the wireframe stage, I'm actually not um um rating it the way it is being arranged, all right. But like, we going, okay, before now, I've been wanted to, try at least work on a project. Let me design, okay, something like, okay, I can just design. I will say, okay, this design is from me. At least it's something I design, something that it's not just copy and paste, not like I saw another design, oh, I love it and I replicated it. No, this one is like you have to start from the scratch, getting to meet people, asking them questions, interviewing them, getting their feedback and the rest, working with it. All right. So I will say that this program is the first designs I made. All those designs you see, I will say that 80% of, although I actually looked at other designs to get inspiration, but it's like this program actually opened my head somehow. All right. So it opened my head, and I don't do anything without thinking of, okay, what can I add to this? Or why will I do this? Or what's the essence of this button? Because our tutor has actually make me to understand. I don't know for others, but I know I'm definitely speaking the mind of every other person here. That at least it's not just to design. You have to know why you are designing, for who. You have to know, okay, this is what you should put here. And you don't just put designs together. You don't just put things together because it's not just about color. It's not just about putting pictures together, making it look fine. Is it usable? Is it something you could use? Is it something that a user could use and easily navigate from screens to screens? All right. So, and like, I'm really opportuned to be part of this training program. And like, I was so impressed to the extent I had to go and be looking for who actually founded um this foundation. All right. And I got to know that the man, it was I read about him, and I got to know that he's even a father. He's from a Catholic church. He's a father, and he was one of the best, like, throughout his period in school and the rest. So that is how, because the way Mr. Kingsley Imuchukwu, sorry if I pronounce it well, the way you teach is, it's like it has to. I'm not like seriously, even if they are paying you, the way you teach, it's like, I don't know. So I really want to thank you all, and I say God bless you. And this privilege, I'm not taking it for granted. I'm not going to take it for granted. So thank you so much. God bless you.
Okay, thank you. We've heard your testimony. It's offering time. It's time to show us your project. Time to show us your project. You've been talking since.
Okay. Okay. Now don't catch me. I've been one
Uh,
run, all right. No
let's,
problem.
let's,
So,
let's see what you've
okay.
done.
Okay. Now don't catch me. Now don't catch me. All right. Please allow me to share. Thank you. So, although as I've
Yeah.
said earlier, I have not added other features. Like, I don't know. I have been trying to structure out some things here in my book. So people should not think I'm lying. I have some things mapped out here. If you can see, this is my sketch, and it's through it's this program that helped me. This is my sketch, like, see, this one that I wrote with pencil, so that I could easily delete or edit. Sorry, I could easily clean if there is something that is going wrong. So I have some sketches already that I'm about to add to um the project. So I have them, like you can see, So I have like 3 books on my table. Like in short, all my job tags are filled up with UI, whatever. So all right, thank you. Allow me to share. Okay, let me share. So what was this one? Microsoft Teams would like to record this computer screen and audio. What would I click? So is it deny or open settings or what?
You can allow it if you want. There's nothing much. Now.
I'm going to deny because like this open setting, I will have to be setting something.
Okay. Just try anyone that works. I've not seen that once.
Okay, so present the go to security privacy and give permission and start sharing. What's this now? They say I should go to security and privacy screen recording to give permission and start sharing.
Have you not been sharing your screen? It's not your first time
Okay,
to share screen now. What's wrong?
I don't know.
Follow the steps now. Follow what they stated there. You do update things. You update things. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, share that one.
Well, this is the second time I'm seeing your face, Favor. Yeah.
Have you seen my face before?
Yes, on WhatsApp.
I feel fresh. Oh, seriously? Oh, okay. WhatsApp picture, right? Ah, may I not fish this screen today? What is happening?
Hope Mr. Kingsley allow you to share.
Yeah, he
Yeah,
allowed
giving
Allow
you
me.
Okay,
Ah,
yeah.
I've,
Just press it then. If you want full screen or just the Figma alone, just click on it.
no, it's not. It's not today. I'm sharing now. These options I'm
Okay,
seeing.
shoot.
I
Okay.
know
try
the.
this. Disable your camera. Let's see. Disable your camera, then you try it.
I show off my camera.
Yeah,
Okay.
then try it. Let's see.
Okay. Same thing. I don't know. I was
It's still
trying
giving.
to um color full color picker. Yeah. This one don't work in today. I really do not know. I don't know what to do.
We can't see what's going on there.
I don't know. Let me use my phone to join so you could see my screen. What it is saying. Hold on, please.
Oh, teams, can you just allow us to do this? I can see Blessing, I can see Ambrose. Um, good morning. Thank you for joining late. I don't know.
Morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
Sir. Sorry for joining late, please.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why you guys chose to join late today. But no problem. No problem. Hi, Blessing. Good morning.
Can anyone see my screen?
Yeah, move move
Yeah.
the camera
Yes.
closer. Move it closer. So click on share. Let's see what's happening.
This is what I'm seeing.
Select the window now. What else?
Sir?
Select the window you want to share now. Have you opened your Figma?
Yes, my Figma is opened.
So select the window you want to share.
I think
Go back to Teams. Go back to Teams. Like go back to Teams, not from Figma yet. Go back to Teams. Can you hear me?
see the same thing that is bringing.
What's it bringing? On Windows, click on that Windows.
Okay.
What's it
Here we
showing?
come. They go to security and privacy. Screen
Yeah,
record.
click on there.
See. I don't know
What
if you
did you
can
open up?
see.
I can't see it. I can't really see it. Okay, take the camera, move a bit right, move a bit to the right. Then toggle that Teams on. That Microsoft Teams, toggle it on, the button there.
Use a password. Okay. I'll not be able to record the content of your screen until it's quit. So I see the right top.
Okay, quit and reopen. Click on quit and reopen.
Okay.
I guess you should be able to share now, hopefully.
Hello, can you see it?
Can you share now?
Hello?
I said, can you share now?
No, I don't see where to share. This is where it's bringing.
I can't see the screen is not clear yet. Maybe because it's not so. I don't know. Can you guys see her screen? I'm not seeing it from here. It's kind of low.
Outside. Clear.
It's okay.
No screen. Okay, there's screen, but it's not clear.
But the screen is not clear from my own end. Our network, I guess, is not so clear, not strong.
Oh.
Okay, it's a bit better now. Okay, we are in now.
Permit me to test.
Save, make it redundant, change. To try, try it out now.
Browse my computer. Choose what you want to share. Okay.
So you can share now, I guess.
Yeah. Ah, finally.
Just
Leave. Okay. So
so in me,
yeah.
let's see.
Okay, so I said I've not added anything. So please permit me. All right.
Just
So
walk
this is
us through the project you're doing. Walk us through the project you're
again.
doing.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
no. Ah,
Ah, okay. I'm coming.
you.
All right. So this express ride, just overlook it. It's not. It's not.
Walk
It's
us
not
through
as
what you are
important.
doing. Explain what you are building. Tell us. Pretend we are not in the same class with you because questions will be coming for you. Everybody here will be asking you questions. Like pretend you are making a presentation to real clients or investors. We don't know what you are building. So walk us through the full process.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay. Okay. Oh, all right. So, well, this is the onboarding. Oh, sorry. We are actually working. Okay. I actually worked on a project that the project is about a user able to book riders online. So, and not just able to book them, they should um come to their they should get to their current location to pick up whatever they wish to deliver to the location where they want it to be delivered to. So let me say this is like a delivery app that easily help you to navigate your that easily help you to transport your things from one place to another. You can just sit at the comfort of your home, and it's just for you to without worrying of how to transport your things to where you want them to be transported to. So you can just easily, book this add this app, then you can just easily book riders from this app. So and that is what the app is all about. So this is the onboarding screen, Express Ride, and here um this is an illustration showing a rider, you know, in its client's house. So this is the onboarding screen. This is the first page, and this is the second. Then this is like the sign up page. This sign up page, um, you sign up your details if you want to use your email or you want to use your Google account to sign in. This is what this is all about. Then here is for probably you don't have an account before. Here you've been using the app, so it's just for you to sign in through here. All right. But here is like it's just the first time of you using the app and you really do not have an account. Your details are not registered with this app. All right. So what you do here is you put your vital details and then you go ahead um to create an account for yourself. Then from there you move to the home screen. The home screen we you know it's a screen that houses the let me say the categories of services that is being provided. You can be able to send a parcel and receive a parcel. Then the screen also shows your profile picture, then also your location. Then it's also have a notification.
Can you zoom in a bit so we'll be seeing the screen well?
Okay, so can you see it now?
That's too much. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so this is the home screen that enable you to you have um a quick picture of what you can do. So this page um originally navigates you to other pages, that is to other screens. All right, so it tells you the services that um that are being provided, sending a parcel, receiving a parcel, international shipments, other services like that is being added. Then this is like like a brief um history about probably the the packages you've sent before. And then so this that then you'll be able to book a rider from this screen. The screen is connected to other screens that you'll be seeing. So after you're able to book a rider, you click on the button to be able to book a rider. It takes you to the screen where you'll be able to um, put in your details, whatever you want to send, the package description, and then the size. So, and there is a suggested category. If there is anything here would want to send, you can just easily click here. As I said before, UI UX make life easy, very, very easy. So you really do not have to start looking for a way to bring whatever you want into picture. It's already here for you to make life easy for you. So if none of these categories is here, there are other buttons by the slide that shows you can add others. What you want. You just add the name of whatsoever, or you really do not need to go through that. You can just come fill up um your columns here, then it proceeds. It moves you to the next screen where you'll be able to see your riders, your available riders, and you book a rider of your choice, the one you want. And in order for you not to be contemplating which should be trusted, it is very easy for you, just for you to book anyone you feel attracted to. Then the details will appear below, telling you who this person is, giving you the vital details of the person, and the driving experience, so you don't have to have trust issues. All right. So from there, we proceeded. Although there are still other amendments to be made, not it's not yet it is not yet initiated, but I will do that after this class. I'll work on it. Why? Because I was not around, as I said. So After you be able to book a ride, originally I was saying okay, then automatically it takes you to where you could pay. Then after paying, so this payment process, this is where other screens should come up. There are other screens to make the payment process easy, because UI UX is supposed to make life easy. So then let's have a picture that there are other screens that will be initiated here. Then we went further to the tracking is the next stage. This is the tracking process where after paying your security, sorry, your code, your parcel code, your track code has already been sent to you in your email or probably in your message. I don't know. So it is this is where you just input your details, and you your tracking pin your tracking pin is here. So this is like a printout of what you registered. All right, this is like a printout of your tracking pin, your location, which has already been filled in the past pages here, your location, then where you are sending the goods to, the recipients, then the date of delivery is here already. Then so this like messages to help you track how um it is the process is going. So during the period of time when during the period the rider is coming to meet you, it is also being recorded in their end. Then when the parcel is being received, the message will pop up that the parcel has been received. Then the preparation, trying to check the weight, trying to know what is inside, and then you need to be sure of what you are carrying, so that as a rider you need to be sure of what you are carrying, so that you will not go and carry bomb, or go and do what you're not supposed to go and carry what you're not supposed to carry. You didn't know what you are carrying, so it has to be thoroughly checked. All right, so also a message will pop up that it has be prepared, and ready for pickup. Then this is a confirmation, you know, that this is a confirmation from um the rider's end, that is from the organization, that the parcel has already been received and it will be delivered shortly. Then this is when the parcel is on transit. Then that is the process of it going. So then when it is being delivered, this is when it's delivered successfully. So the reason why it's being arranged in this array is because when a message pops up, the last message is on the top, then the first message is at the bottom. So that is why that is like that. Okay, so now to the notification. This notification, I'm still going to work on it. This notification is still like the message here, but I think I should be able to, if there's like notification, it's something like notification, right? I'll just think of something to put in there. But I know it's something I should make it different from this. I don't know. I think our tutor will correct us in that. Will correct me on that. Then this like when you track this stuff, there will be a tracking page. I don't know. I just put that there. I don't think it's needed. I'll remove it. I just found out that it's not needed. All right. So this is the profile icon. It takes you to the profile, to your profile as a user. So this is your name, your date of birth, your sex, your weight, hobbies, and blah blah blah. So this profile is editable. You can edit anything you want to put there. All right, so that is that. Then this is setting. All right, so this is the setting page where you could set the language you want, your personal info. Sir?
I said, what is hobby and weight doing in a delivery app?
I don't know. I was just looking for something to put there. I was not thinking of, when I did this, it was like few minutes to I designed this before designing this. So I just, it's
Think again
editable.
now.
Look at, sir?
I said you have to think again. Oh. Okay,
Yes,
before you
yes,
add
sure.
any picture, make sure you know what that picture is doing. It must be used for any feature you bring into your product.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Okay, so I think I'll correct that, sir. I'll I'll correct that and take it. So this is like a certain page where you could probably you forgot you choose your language, your personal info, you know, allow notification. That's this. So allow disable notification, privacy, you want to reset your password, you want to change your email, then remember login, dark mode, auto login, health that support, then logout. So that is what I have done, sir. And I hope to add more features and correct the process to make it easier. Thank you. Should I stop sharing, sir? Hello, can anyone hear me?
Chill. Chill. Can you hear me? Yeah, we can hear you. Calm down. That is a nice one.
Alright.
A nice try. Right. So this is that point where everybody have question for you. I did not ask,
Okay.
does anyone have? I say this is the point where everybody has questions for you. So let's start. Let's read the questions. Like we bring them coming. Start from everybody. Like I said, everybody will ask questions. Start from Blessing. Are you there? I just saw you, Blessing, and I've not heard anything from this person. Good morning, Blessing. I don't know. Maybe she's not, she's not in a place she can talk. So, Eddie, you read the questions. Start. Let's hear your questions for people. After that, Aminat. After that, Ambrose. The rest could take over. I don't know if that blessing is active. Blessing is active. You could take over too. So let's hear you, Eddie. What questions you have for us?
I don't have any questions right now to ask.
Eh?
I don't have questions. I don't have questions.
So
Did you hear?
everything she presented is perfect.
No, I'm not saying it's perfect. I just that I don't. We're all learning. Even me, I'm learning from her own presentation.
Still, we are not learning. You must have seen something that caught the attention, didn't you?
Well, my own is that okay. Well, I was thinking about that scanning part. I was thinking, is it the scanning is it not for if you are doing like a foreign tracking also, because that scanning part I just felt the tracking number will already cover that part. So that's why I didn't bother asking again. And she said she was going to remove the scanning part also. Abi, is it not so favor?
Yeah, like I said.
That's all I have for her. That's all the questions I have for her.
Okay. Okay, so let's have next.
Sorry, sir. Actually, my connection was so bad. I wasn't able to get her till this very moment. So I don't know. Maybe if you can give me a recap a little, or I know that the video will come out though after the class. I can watch the video, but I actually wanted to hear from her so that I will know I can cue in because I actually lost the connection earlier, like a few minutes earlier. Now it's just now that I came back. Sorry.
Is it Blessing speaking?
No, it's Collins.
Pezu? Okay, Collins.
Collins or Amali. Collins or Amali. Collins.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. What she did was she made a presentation of her work. Right. That's a very long presentation. So I don't know how she will go back to it. Right. She just made a presentation of her work. Maybe just stand by. Right. Others will present theirs, and you could still key in. So what you are doing is just you're making a presentation from the for day one of what your experience was like till
Okay.
the very last day, which is today, right? So what your experience is like, then those that are done with their projects or those that have started, they could we ought to have started, right? So everyone is presenting his or her project. So that's what you're doing here, right? So the first person has gone, favor is on now. I guess next person will take over. So you could listen more, and if you have questions for them, you take. So I can't really tell her to start afresh now to really take up our time, right? Sure, you understand?
Yeah, okay, okay. I understand. Yes, I understand. I understand. Thank you.
Yeah. So does any other person have questions for her? I guess no. So favor, they said you've done well. I don't know. Said you've done well. You don't know, right? So that's a nice try. You've done well. Although we still have a lot to fix. But at this point, yeah, that's basically those you've tried, like just like every other person. So have the next person to take the presentation, to take up her presentation, right?
If you have
The person that
questions, that's
swapped turns with people.
yeah. The person that swapped tongues, yes.
The person that
I'm in
swapped
a
turns
Who
with
swapped
people.
us?
Swapped tongues.
Okay.
So we can hear you now.
Hello, everyone. I'm coming.
Ogbeni, your camera, Joe.
I see.
Okay,
Please
do
put
you
on your
want to-
camera.
Come on, your camera. Who be this one?
I've tried. I've got it. Okay, sorry. I'm coming.
They are trying to
I
on
don't know.
camera again. Eh?
Hello, everyone.
See fine girl now.
Favor,
Which
you can,
my
you
girl?
can stop sharing.
What's wrong with this one? Say we're composed. Composed. All right.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Fine girl.
Good
She's
afternoon.
Can you all see me?
Yeah,
We
we
can
can
Yeah,
hear
we
see
you. We
you.
can see.
can.
We can see you
Okay.
very well.
Okay.
Now that
We
we
are not
can
seeing
see you, just off the camera and off the audio, please put it on back.
Sorry, please. I have someone distracting me in there. Sorry. Sorry, please. I have someone disturbing me here. Sorry, please. My son. Yeah. Hello, please. Can you all hear me?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, okay.
Hello.
we can hear you.
Amina, can hear you.
Okay.
Can hear you.
Okay. Good
Fine girl.
afternoon, everyone. And you already know my name. I would like to thank the DSEP for giving us the privilege to be part of giving us the privilege to be part of this program, and special thanks to Mr. Kingsley for imparting his knowledge to us. Thank you so much. So, are you guys seeing me?
But now we can see you. We dey
Okay.
see you.
So,
Calm down.
all right. So what I learned so far is I've been able to learn UI UX design, and you you made us understand that UI is a visual element that you can see when using a product. And you said user experience is the experience you feel when interacting with that particular product. So what else? Then I've been able to understand the elements of the design. So these elements, he said, we can use it to design inside our Figma. That is all the shapes, lines, forms, colors. So those are the elements we can use when designing inside our Figma. Then I've been able to understand the what's it called? The design principle. You said those are the guidelines we can use when designing any of our, it can be a mobile app, it can be a desktop, anything, Sha, you said any product. So we can use it, we can use a guideline, just like you said, we have contrast, balance, hierarchy. So those are the things we can use if we want to make our work to be perfectly. So those are things. Then I think I'll be able to understand the design thinking process. Yeah. So you mentioned the stages we can follow, the process we can follow in order to have a perfect and designing a perfect project. Those are the empathy map. Yes, empathy map. Yeah, or no, let me say empathizing. Then you have is the ability to understand someone else's feelings when understanding someone else's feelings of a particular product, or you want to design a product. So from there, when you empathize with the user, you know about their feelings. From there, you'll be able to identify their pain points. So, and that pain point is just like you said, is a product that is frustrating the user to get access to that particular product. So from that pain point, we can be able to create their persona. So you said when we understand their pain points, we can use it to create the persona. But before that, we'll have to make a research. So from the research, you have to create a persona. From the research we gather from the maybe from the feed, that is the interview. So from there, we'll gather the evidence, then we'll now use it to make our persona. So from there, you said when we okay, from the persona, I think that's where will now lead us to the sketching. So you sketch. So from the sketching, then that is a low fidelity. That is a low fidelity. But before even that, you said when you make a research, then you gather the evidence, you ideate. That is, you bring the ideas, you brainstorm. This is how you want to use it. This is how the mobile app is going to be happen. This the design is going to work perfectly. So at the end of the day, you have to sketch out the idea that you gather from the evidence. So from there, you now no, he said when you from there you sketch. When you sketch, that is the low fidelity. From there, you now design, go to the high fidelity. So from that high fidelity, you prototype. So once you prototype, you see your work is perfectly, you can now test it. So once you test and you see that there's an issue, or the user is not happy with that mobile app, you can then refine it. That is, you go back from where the problem is to solve that particular problem. And also, I've been able to understand the color harmony, just like you said, then the typography, the fonts we can use, the serif and the sans serif as well. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's
Can I off my
welcome.
camera?
Nice. Chill, calm down. Don't be in a hurry. Do we have questions for her? Yes. Any questions for her?
Okay, I have a question for her. I'm going to ask a
Okay.
question. I'll ask a question today. All right. Okay, so my question is like so you explained the, well, let's say the learning part. So what has been your experience so far? Like what have you gained so far? Like
I've really okay.
how's how is the process been for you? Your day one experience, how it has been for you.
It
All right.
wasn't easy because right from the day one, yeah, I think I couldn't join right from the day one. So I have to just go to the video to just watch the video and learn some few things on the video because I couldn't join on the first day. Yeah, it wasn't easy, but we thank God for this opportunity and since I've come to this or we have come to this far, we really thank God and I would really appreciate Mr. Kingsley. In fact, I'm so happy because I didn't even expect that I'm going to understand all these UI UX design because this is my first time of joining it. Let me say a group team like this. This is my first time. I don't even have any knowledge about UX design. Yeah, though I've been having feelings before that I wanted to. Let me just go into tech work. So I called one of my friends. So I told her that please I want to I need to understand UX design. I want to even transition into tech. Let me just be a tech sis. So I want to understand. But so one of my friend now say, there's what we call a boot camp. Why can't you just join so that you'll be able to gain some experience and you understand the things you wanted to go into tech. So now I have the opportunity and at least to join your program. Thank you so much, Mr. Kingsley, for imparting your knowledge to us. I pray to Almighty God to bless you and guide you in the right way. Thank you.
Man, thanks. So this is the time you answer more questions. If you have more questions for her, you can come in. Don't run here though. You're still here. So if you don't have more questions, you can share your project for us. So we call it a day.
I'm not
So
running, yeah. I'm still doing my project, but I can just show you. I'm not yet through with them.
yeah,
Yeah.
just share so we see.
Okay, please
You know you're not just
allow
talking.
me. Okay.
I mean that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, check. Try.
Okay. Please, I'm coming.
Ambrose, I'm sure you're getting ready. Ambrose.
What's wrong?
Any challenge?
Yeah. It's not scrolling down, so that's I'm trying to check some things. I'm having. Hello? Can you see it now?
Yeah,
I
we can
think.
see it.
Okay. Mhm. I mean my Figma. Can you see it?
So it's good. It's google.com.
Yes.
Okay, it's google.com. Okay. Can you see it now?
No,
Hello?
Not
Okay.
yet.
no.
Okay. I think it's two tab. Let me share again, please. Please, can you see it now?
Yeah, we can see
Yes.
it.
Hello? Okay.
Yes, you can see it. So explain to us what you're doing, walk us through the process, the flow.
Okay. So
Zoom in,
supposed
zoom in
to
a bit.
sorry, I'm not through with it. So I should what?
Zoom in a bit so we'll see the screen as well.
All right. So can you see it now?
Yeah. Zoom in a bit again. Zoom in again. Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay. You can zoom in once if you want.
Yeah, can you see it?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. So I'm designing a mobile app for booking a dispatch rider to send a package out. So this is where we get started. This is where you get started. So I don't know if this is an onboarding. I don't know if it is a splash screen, but I think this is for me. This is a splash screen where you get started. Then
Wait, excuse. You don't know?
I said this is a splash screen. This is where you get started.
You said you don't know if it's an onboarding or a splash screen. So if you, the designer,
So
doesn't
okay,
know, how are you going to know?
okay, this is an onboarding. This is a splash screen. This is where you get started. Then from there, you sign up. If you want to use your name and email or phone number, then you sign up. From there, you log in, either your email and your password. So you sign in here. So from there, yeah, I've been trying to work on this since this is an home page. Yeah, this is my home page. I'm working on it. So I'm trying to change some things there. Like all this category, this is what I'm having issue with. So I'm trying to solve it. This is an home page. So this is where you can track your this is where you can track your package. So this is the recent activities that has been shipped, pending. So from there, this place will take you to home page. If you want to go to home page, then if you want to check, send your package, I think from here, this place will lead you to yeah, where you select your package. Yeah. So this place where you either select your package if it is a small quantity you want, a medium or extra package you want to send, depend. From this package details, this is where you write the category. That is, if it is a parcel you want to send, if it is what's it called? If it is a grocery, then the subcategory will be a document. That is, if it is a parcel you want to send. So you continue from here. Then it will take you to. So you have to state it and list it down there. So from there, when you list everything, so it will now take you to enter. So this is where you pick up the locations and enter the delivery location. So if you want to go back, this is the previous to maybe you want to check if it is you wanted to change it to small quantity or large. But if you want to proceed, this is where you get a rider. You click the button, so it will take you to where you get a rider. So I'm still working on. Sorry. So I'm still working on this. So this is where you select, you pick your rider. If it is this person you want to pick, so their details is under it. So you have to select. So once you select and accept any dispatch rider that is your choice. Sorry. Any dispatch rider that is your choice. So this place is where you're right. It will take you to your dispatch rider is on the way, 20 minutes away. Yeah, but I think there should be a notification here that will tell you that your dispatch rider is on the way. So I'm going to put it there. Please, are you with me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Please, can you repeat
okay,
a bit?
okay. I'm trying to take it to one place so that at the end of the day, okay. Can you see it now?
Click on Figma. Click on the outer part of Figma, just on your normal frame. Right click on there.
Okay. So can you
Right
see
click
it
on
now?
Figma. Right click on Figma,
Okay.
just on the
I've right
canvas.
click. Okay.
The options
Also
didn't come
chat.
out. Yeah, show or hide.
Okay. Show hide. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, show hide UI. Okay,
Yeah, I've seen it.
okay,
Yeah.
that's cool. So you can zoom in.
Exactly. So once the splash radar is on the way, I think there should be a profile where there should be another profile where the package is being delivered to the company. So from there they will be able to summarize all the address, the package details, and the pickup schedule. So this is where the size of the package is being shown, the pickup, the address, the summary details in short. Then you proceed to payment after that. So once you either pay with your card, wallet, or transfer. So once you are done, then I think you can now track your package. But I'm still trying to feel something like a settings where you can show a menu, like you can show the payment, logout, and tracking number. So I think I'm going to put it inside. Still working on it though, so that to make everything perfect. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's a nice try. That's a nice try. Like I said, we still need to modify it more. So what do you guys have to? You have questions for her? Eh, anything you noticed? Any suggestion? Observation? Any question?
I mean that you can off your camera now. You don't try.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No questions for her?
No question. Thank you.
um yeah, wait, Joe.
Favor.
Yeah, from yeah, from my end, you actually tried, and kudos. At least we actually might not be perfect now, but this is just like the process. So from my end, I really do not have a question. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's all right. Eddie, you don't have questions too?
No question from my end.
Ambrose?
Thank you, Eddie.
You're welcome.
Bruce, you don't have a question? Okay, it's all right. I said you've done well. I don't have questions for you. That's a nice one. You've tried.
Thank you all.
You tried. It's okay. I need to just need to fix up some things and better the design. So it takes a process. We are just on the right track. Each time you look back to this project and be like, "Hey, did I do this?" So that's how it goes. So that's an idea. So let's see. Let's hear from Ambrose. Hi, Ambrose. Good afternoon.
Ambrose, on your camera, so we'll know who we're speaking with and we've been having class with. Am I the one that is off the listener? Or is just
Ambrose, we can't hear you. Your mic is open, but we can't hear her.
we can't hear you, Ambrose.
Can you mute your mic and unmute it again? I'm going to mute your mic. Okay.
Maybe it's network from our end.
I don't know if she's having challenge with network. Her mic is open now. I can see her on the call. Mic is open, but you can't get her. Her network, we should just allow you talk to us for like 10 minutes.
Are you hearing? Hello?
Yeah, we
We
can hear
can
you
hear
now.
you.
Okay. Mr. Kingsley, please, I want to present probably after the next person. Where am I is very noisy and currently I'm struggling to connect well.
Oh, I guess you're the last person. Yeah, finish.
Gee. Oh, Father. Ah,
I don't know. It's all right. All right. No problem. No challenge. Yes, you just maybe when you're done, you could just send in the link to us. But it would have been nice if we heard from you. I don't know. That's
okay.
see.
I'm sorry, sir.
No problem. No problem. It's okay. It's all right. So we've heard from who is Blessing? Blessing, can you say hi to the class? I don't see random names. Or is this someone joining with two devices? Blessing, can you say hi to the class? Let's know we have you here. Yeah, she has been joining, or he, person has been joining us from when we started, and it's just mute. I don't know. I see other names here that not. All right. So it was quite a nice experience working two guys to this point. It's been a fun experience. The learning, the questions, the tasks, the challenges, and the rest of it, right? Part of the process. It's been fun having you guys around. Knowing that okay, every day I have this number of people to meet up with, I have these people to interact with, to chat with, stuff like that, right? It's actually fun.
You sorry, we are not seeing your face too.
Ah, wow.
Put your camera.
As well. So you can see my face now, right?
Oh, oh.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
So
Yeah,
it's
good.
been
We
a
Yeah.
can
quite
see you
nice
now.
experience. Nice experience working with you guys. Climbing this ladder together, learning together, and making friends, right? So this is just like building connection, making friends. People could have a job tomorrow and be like, okay, I mean, I have this project and I need more designers. You could always fall back to this team. You have Aminat, you have people, you have Adri, you have Andrews, you have all of them, you have engineer Sam. Engineer Sam, I've not seen him today.
Can we
Collins,
see your
Collins dropped it.
can
Yeah?
we see your face, bro? See fine guy. Oh, see fine guy now. Why are you hiding your face now? Should we
Well
know we were
done, sir.
talking?
Well done,
You
sir.
the camera.
In
I
fact,
didn't hear, I didn't hear you, man. Two small cans. So So I was saying, right, you could always build your connections from here. When you get, if you have gigs that require more than one designer, you always fall back to your team. This is just like your see here as your motherland, right? So where you could always reach out to people when you get confused and stuff. You could always call out to people. They could help you out and stuff like that. So when challenges come, I'm always there. You can send a DM to me. The ones I could solve, we solve it together. The ones we can't solve together, we pray to God about it, right? So that's the nice experience. We've been together. Um, I guess we are still together. Like this project, like I promised, I will send it out to the management and ask if we could bring it to life. If they approve it, that's fine. We still know work on this. I'm missing someone raise hand. Do you have something to say? Yeah, you can speak. You can speak.
Okay, sir. I wanted to suggest if I can just do the normal presentation without showing my actual work. I don't know if that can work so that I can also extend my gratitude to the organization.
Yeah, that's okay. I guess you could talk. Let's hear from you. I guess you could kind of explain your experience from the one to this very point. Yeah, that would be okay.
Okay, sir. I'm not going to on my video since this place is the shop and you might not see my face very clear. Please pardon me. Okay, good day, everyone. Hello.
Good day. Good day,
Good day.
Ambrose.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Gabriel.
you're welcome.
thank you very
Hello,
much.
good day. How
I hope everyone is doing well.
Yeah,
Okay.
cool.
Yes, you are fine. Thank you.
All right. Please pardon me that out. I'm kind of beating the rule for today out. I'm sorry. I should have known or prepared for this. I didn't really have an idea like today is going to look like this. I would have probably sent someone else to work for me. So actually, I still have to do the needful. Thank you very much. So I'm here to extend my gratitude to DSEP for this great opportunity they've given to me. When I applied for this scholarship anyway, I didn't think my name would be shortlisted. I was just kind of worried, but when the name came out, the first list I didn't see my name. And I scrolled to the second one, I saw my name. I was so happy because I've always wanted to start a tech journey, but the question was how. The money they are charging out there is very big. I don't know if it is all their charges is same everywhere, but over here the price is that high. So I'm saying big thank you to DSEP for this great opportunity. And to Mr. Kingsley, you are a great teacher. I would definitely say that. Thank you very much for this great opportunity that you've given to each and every one of us. And I'm most grateful for you teaching us like you're teaching a nursery school student to really make sure that everyone is carried along. We understand each steps of the design. Thank you very much. Then I would say that the teaching is really great. I really understand a lot and I've benefited so much. I understand that UI is the user's interface, how it looks like. Then the UX is how the user feels when they're actually using the app. Then you make us understand that there are principles to actually achieve whatever you are looking at. You made mention of the user research that we should have empathy. We shouldn't assume when we are researching for the users. We should actually work with what they are giving us, the information they are giving out. You also mentioned about typography, the kind of fonts we should use. You mentioned sans serif, then you mentioned a whole lot. You also talk about the colors, the color harmonies, how we can combine them well, the analogram, the monochromatic, the tetractic kind of colors we should use while designing. You also talked about us making our work more organized. Then yesterday we talked about prototyping, how we can connect each screen to another to see what we actually do, if it's actually working well. So that's what I would have to say. Thank you everyone for the time given to get to know each and everyone here. I'm so happy. Like the experience is very cool on my end. Thank you very much.
It's all right. Welcome, Ambrose. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Maybe future will get to hear from you more of the project, right? So I had the guy's voice.
Yes.
That Collins or Mr. Nasam. I just heard the guy's voice. I'm not seeing the guy's name here. I guess he's meeting guest.
Collins.
Col-
Collins.
Collins is
Okay,
here.
Collins, let's hear from you. You just kept quiet.
Oh, I've been talking. I was the one that told you that I came in some moments ago that I lost connection earlier in the class.
I guess it's your turn now. Let's see you and say hi to us.
Okay, I don't have my connection on my system, but I'd like to say good day to everyone. It's
Please,
a
I can
let's
great
see
see
your
your
face now.
opportunity to be here. Uh, no, 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 no. So as I was saying, it's a great opportunity to be here. Like I've always heard about UI UX, but I've never been to the field. Like I've never attempted the opportunity though. So when this one came out, my sister told me about it, and I was like, okay, I want to be part of it. That was how I came and I applied. I got the scholarship, and we started the journey. Earlier in the process, it was something I was like, what's happening? I was trying to get along. The first day, the other day, the day I presented, you were like, that I'm just paying attention, like I've not been doing nothing. Yeah, I thought of those words too. So I decided to, try to learn a little bit of it, like put my interest in it. Though I missed class some time ago, I missed like 4 days when I actually had issues, but I went through the videos. I actually learned something I didn't know before. So I would say so far, I I've enjoyed being in the class, the teaching, the practical, even though done and I've not done much practical yet. But when I'll be done with my design, I'll present them, and I would love to hear from everyone and be directed the more.
It's all right. That's cool. I
Meanwhile,
guess you're hiding from
when we
that. You
started,
don't
we
want
talked
to.
about UI.
Okay?
Can we see the face of who is presenting?
No, no, not now,
Yes, let's
not
see
now.
the face.
No, no,
Okay,
I will
oh,
not
no
show my
wahala.
camera. So I'm saying maybe next time when I'm presenting my out.
Next time, this is our last class.
It's all right.
No,
Maybe
for the week, right? We still have a lot of time.
Okay, no problem.
it's all right. It's all right. Okay, so Mr. Collins, this is actually we are wrapping up, right? Today is our last class. We've been on for the whole month, right? So that's why if you've been frequenting the class, right, you should have known that. But no problem, you're welcome. We are always around. We are always around. You can always reach out to us. Always reach out to us. Officially, we are ending today, but
Thank you very
unofficially,
much,
we're still together.
I must I must say I enjoy your class because you are you are good in what you do. The way, the confidence you have teaching is what making me come back all the time. Like, I really want to learn from you. I'm glad. I'm really glad. I'm really, really glad. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. So guys, I guess it's about time we call it a day. We heard from you guys. It was fun being around, fun learning together. What else should I say? Thank you guys for
Please,
having me.
when are you
Thank
creating another group?
Yeah, I will do that. If I do that, I will send the link to um you know what, right? You guys should just send me a DM to you guys have me on WhatsApp, right? Send me a DM. I don't just want to throw out the link to the full group so everyone won't rush in, right? So
Yeah,
everyone shouldn't
yeah,
rush
yeah.
in. Just send me a DM on WhatsApp. Just hi with your name so I'll know. And equally, Mr. Sam, I'll reach out to I'll find a way to reach out to Engineer Sam and the rest of it. Those that have been active in class, right? Those that have been really active in class. So get a more serious group to help push. To help push. That's it. So guys, thanks for having me. Thanks for being here. Thanks for learning with me. Right. We'll meet again. We'll keep meeting. That is it.
Yeah, we'll keep
It's about
meeting.
time.
We'll keep meeting top.
Yeah. It's that time we say goodbye to everyone. Goodbye, Eddie. Goodbye, Blessing. Blessing, I guess
Hey,
Blessing is still yet to
Nat,
show us
Mr.
his
Kingsley,
bye.
please, Amber,
I mean,
although I
Favor
don't know
and
who played favor
coming.
also. And Mr. Sam, although he's not present. Goodbye, everyone.
I'm going to
I'll
miss
miss you
everyone.
guys.
I'll miss everyone. And I'll miss you too, sir.
Seriously.
I'll miss you guys. All right. Welcome.
All right, bye
Right. So
everyone.
just
Bye.
see your name on the attendance on the chat box, so I will pick today's attendance, right? So always remember from now to Monday, please submit those projects. Send me the links to those projects so I could update your worksheets for so I could update your worksheets. All right, guys. Any other information, I'll always pass it to you guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy the new skill you've acquired. So this is the point where you need to work on projects, right? You've finished this first project. If you finish it up, right, you can always send me a message. I will give you something else to work on, or you could get something to work on yourself, right? So just get 3 projects. Once you are done with 3 projects from now to at least take 2 weeks or so, wrap up with your 3 projects and start applying for jobs, right? You're not learning to just go sit at home and be like, yes, I learned here UX from this. You're learning to land a job, right? Land your first gig. Let's in JB. Oh, that's good. That's nice. So Blessing is JB. She has been active since we didn't hear from her. That's not so nice. So just work on your 3 projects, right? I told you you start this journey with a minimum of 3 projects, right? So work on your 3 projects and start applying for jobs. Let's start applying for jobs. There is LinkedIn, there is Jobberman, there is Indeed, right? You start looking out for jobs, start advertising yourself, both on social medias. Like I told you guys, whatever step you take, like this designs you've made, take a screenshot, export them, and make a post on LinkedIn, make a post on your social media, right? Telling people this is what you are doing now. And although at this point it might not be so nice, so clear, but tell your story, right? Tell your story and allow people to follow up your story, right? Tell your story, sell yourself out there. Because you really have to market yourself. You don't just get a skill to sit at home. You sit at home, nobody knows you, nobody will give you a job, nobody comes your way, right? So get your skill, which you've gotten, work on your projects. This is the first project, this rider app you did. Once you modify it, right, finish, then take another 2 projects of it could be something simple, just do the normal user flow, and you have 3 projects of The next thing you do is start applying for internship roles or entry level roles. So if you look at the roles, check the job descriptions, you see that job descriptions are mostly what we covered, right? You see maybe just the descriptions could house user research. User research is always there. Wireframe could always come there. Prototyping, low fidelity and high fidelity. See that you cover the necessary things you need to cover. So other things could just be for senior roles, right? So try out do this project. That's number one. Because anybody that wants to recruit you will be like, okay, let me see what you've done. Let me see your portfolio, right? Once you don't have anything to share, see that. So do the three projects and create your so it will report to help you create your portfolio. Once you are done with that, you start marketing yourself. Start marketing yourself so people will see what you could do, right? So guys, I guess we'll have to say goodbye. To you still around. Anytime you need our help, always send me a chat, send me a DM. I will reply and respond to what you have, right? So you guys should have a nice day and enjoy yourself. Peace out.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
Thank you very much.